Hello everyone and once again welcome to WSQ Tech English channel. Myself Umar Taskir. As in this particular video we are basically going to talk about another very interesting type of display campaigns itself. So in this particular video we will be talking about the Gmail campaigns, that how can we run ads into the inbox of others Gmail account or the email account. So this is what we are going to explore in this particular video. And before actually diving into the main content of this particular video, I would like to request you to please do subscribe our channel for all digital marketing related content, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you stay updated with all the latest videos, right? So let's begin. So guys, you can see on my laptop screen, first of all what we have to do is we have to basically see that how these Gmail campaigns actually look like, right? So let me show you. Once you click over here, see, whenever you are coming into your social section or promotion section, what you basically see is you have this small ad option over here, right? So we can create these kind of ads. And so what we have to do is we have to basically design this thing first, and then we have to also design then we also have to design this thing also. So we have to create these kind of display campus. So this Gmail campaign is basically a kind of a display campaign itself. So we can do the targeting and everything, as we have learned in the previous few videos where we were talking about the targeting or the audience section of the display advertisement. So the display campus, so all those things remain same. Only thing that we have to learn over here is that how actually we create these kind of ads, right? So let's begin and let's start with a very fresh campaign over here. Let's click on this new campaign, come over here. Again we will be going to this display section. Now we have this Gmail campaign option over here, which says that show interactive ads to people as they browse their emails. So as soon as people are browsing their emails, you can show your advertisements to them based on the targeting that you have selected. So let's begin. And whenever they will click on that ad, on what website they are going, you can select that website from here also. So as we are doing from last few videos, we are picking up JCR Cab as our demo website. So let's select JCR Cab, and now let's click on this continue. And this one is Gmail campaign. So we will simply write Gmail campaign, right? Whatever your objective for this campaign is, you can also write that thing like brand awareness. If this is your objective, you can simply put brand awareness over here, right? Now English and India, and these are up to us that how we want to select them. Then we have options of like clicks. We want clicks, so we can go to clicks, or we can go to these other strategies where we are doing manual CPC also. We can put the budget over here like 500 rupees for the beginning. Now let's come down to this ad group section where we have option of entering the ad group name. Now we have the targeting option. Now let's select the ad group bid, which is like if we are doing CPC, let's select it like 1 rupee, and then we will click on new ad. So it's saying that okay, if you want to create your own ad, you can do this. If you want to upload your Gmail ad, you can also do this, as we were doing in the display campaign, standard display campaign. So right now we'll click on Gmail ad, and then we have different options. So we will simply write over here like JCR cab service, if this is our business name. And then we can write the headline over here. So this is how it will look, right, in the promotion sections, as we were seeing over here. This is what we are basically designing, right? So we'll write business name first, like this one, business name, and then we will write the headline. Fine. So the headline is looking for cab services, and then we have the option of putting descriptions. We can also write this like best cab services in Rajasthan. Okay, all trained, and we can also put some offers, right? So book now to get flat 50% off. So now offers works very well in these kind of campaigns. So we have to utilize the power of offers also. You can write like this one. This one is the call to action basically. So we have final URL over here. Now we have to create the assets. Like we have to enter some images over here, which will appear over here like this one, right? So we have to enter some images. We have to enter some logo and everything. So let's come to images first, and it is scanning our website right now. So we have different images. So let's select this one images, and let's select this as marketing image. Okay, we have this one as marketing image. Then again we have this one as like header image. Okay, fine, perfect. This one is header image, and we can use this image as logo image. So right now I am not having any logo image over here, but yes, definitely we can use this one as logo image. So what I will suggest you is basically you can also scan from here like Facebook. So let's scan these things from Facebook also. Something, some photos we'll get from Facebook also, and let's see if we can get the logo over here, and then we can place that thing. No, no, yes, here it is, right. So we have this logo option. Now this one is our logo, and coming back, we have ignored the logo portion from here, right? So we have these different options through which we can basically scan our like properties, and then we can select the things like marketing, banner, header banner images, and the logos. So we'll click on this save, and now everything is ready, right? Everything is ready, and this is how it will look. So we are seeing the preview over here, and whatever targeting and budget and everything we have selected, we are going to see the some estimates over here. And just because the final URL is this one, anyone clicking on this visit website, they will be redirected to our like landing page, as this one is showing, right? So anyone clicking on this visit website, they will be redirected somewhere over here. So this one is the business name, this one is the description, and this one is the call to action, which is also here, right? So we have call to action over here. Like, let's come back and select this one, and we have more options over here. So we have custom teaser, we have call to action buttons. We can put any other call to action if we want, like book now. Okay, so it is totally up to us. If we want to change the call to action text, we can do that. We have other option like color option also, which will match the colors of your brand or something like that if you want. So we have different options over here. We can also add catalog images within our ad. So if you have any product or something like as what we are doing right now, and then let's click on save. So anybody coming down now, they will see some images over here along with the call to action. So we can write book cabs, and here we, on the second one, we can write another thing, right? So we have this option of placing multiple like catalogs and images, and along with that we have the option of putting the call to action and everything. So we have all these options. So now as we were entering images over here, we were using images over here, we also have the option of using videos, right? So video will be present over here, right? So anyone coming onto our this page, where they will click after coming from here, right? So they can see the video also. So we have option of using video content also in the Gmail. So this is up to us that how we want to utilize this Gmail camp. But these kind of campaigns are not very popular. I mean, Gmail campaigns are not that much popular. But yes, we can definitely try them. So we have options of to see how our ad will look on different devices. We can see on computer as well as we can see on phone, right? So we have another option, like we can create our display campaign in the form of the Gmail campaign. So that's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.